Hello, my YouTubers. I am so sorry for the wait. I just been going through a lot, dealing with a lot. Plus COVID came and ruined everybody's life. I'll be honest with y'all. I did test positive for COVID-19 back in May, but I didn't have any symptoms. Honestly, I felt fine, but that's another story. I just picked up my Taurus G3C. I was actually trying to get it in G2C in 40 caliber, but they didn't have it, so whatever. Manual, promotion card, warranty, handgun safety, the gun lock. I'm not really a fan of the locks, but they're good to have though. This one comes with three, I think it's 312 or 313 round magazine. 12 plus 1. 2 right here. And of course, got one in the weapon. I'm doing this with one hand too, y'all, so y'all have to excuse me. Let y'all look at that for a second. It actually looks just like the Taurus G3C, honestly. A friend of mine, Lone Wolf, he has the G3C and the G3. I love the Taurus G series. I know there's a lot of people out here that knock Taurus, but I have no complaints. I love it. The grip, it's about the same as all the G, all the G series. That little rough sandpaper. But if you look right here, you can see how the sandpaper is raised. See how it's not flush with it, which gives you that much extra grip, so that's good. I didn't realize at first that these were Glock sights. Into my range partner told me, and then I looked on YouTube, and he was correct. Speaking of sights. Yeah, they're nice and tight. It's pretty good. But one thing I love about this pistol, and I haven't even fired it yet, is the rear and front grip serrations. I think that's pretty cool right there. Manual safety, trigger safety, magazine release, slide release, takedown lever right here. I will be doing a range video Saturday when me and my range partner go to the range. I'm gonna put about 200 rounds through it, which I'm quite sure I ain't gonna have no problem out of it. 1 second, y'all. Told y'all I was doing this with one hand. It's clear. Yeah, that's nice and snappy too, how it come out. I like that. Yes, it's a striker block. 3.2-inch barrel length. Weighs about 22 ounces. It's 5 inches in height. 5.1 if I'm not mistaken. The width of it is about 1.25 inches. Overall length, 6.3 inches. Yeah, and that's all I can really say about it from right now. But I will be doing a range video this weekend. More than likely, it's probably going to be Saturday. All right, my YouTubers, I promise I won't leave y'all this long again. I'll be a little more active this time. Promise. So, y'all stay blessed. Stay safe. Give me a like or dislike, whatever. No love lost. All right, and I'll see y'all around.